And I am back with a new hairstyle. I got it today. I think I love it, but I am gonna miss the long hair, but I'm not gonna miss the long hair in this heat. Anyways, you're here to watch a Stitch Fix unboxing, so let's get into it. It is July. It is the year of 2021. And I did not specifically request anything special. We don't really have anything coming up. So my stylist for my preview just kind of offered a bunch of summery things. And I do remember that I picked all 5 items, but when I picked everything from the preview, I don't really remember what I picked. So I'm sure it'll come flooding back to me. If you're unaware what Stitch Fix is, it is a clothing subscription box. You get paired up with a stylist that picks 5 items for you every month, and then they send it to you. And if you don't like anything, that's okay, because they send you a prepaid mailer to send back what you don't like, but you do keep whatever you do like, and they'll just charge it to you. Otherwise, yeah. Now, let's go ahead and look at what our cards say for this month. So this is an invoice. I like to look at that last. And let's see what our stylist has picked out for me that I've already forgotten. Everything looks cute. So, hey Amanda, welcome back for Fix number 23. I'm so excited for the opportunity to style you again. So, for today I thought we could try the Fortune and Ivy dress paired with some flats for a fun and flowy look. How does this dress fit you? Try out the 9 Britain dress, add some strappy sandals, and layer on a blazer or cardigan if needed. Do you like the color and pattern of the dress? How about the back detail? Another option you could try are your favorite jeans or white denim shorts paired with the Luke top. I don't really know how to pronounce this. It's like capital L, capital U, capital Q, capital Q. That's a little hard to say. Anyways, that top from that brand that I have a hard time pronouncing. And add some strappy sandals or wedges for a fun weekend look. How do you like the tie front detail to the top? As always, feel free to let me know which items are working well for you, or what you're looking for, and what changes I can make to improve your experience. I look forward to your feedback. Your friend, Brittany. So recap, I did have Holly as a stylist. I don't really know what happened to her. I didn't ask for a new stylist. I just got paired with Brittany, and I liked her, so I decided to go ahead and keep her for another fix. So let's go ahead and see what we got. This is what the bundle looks like today. I see a lot of floral. You watch my channel, you know I am a sucker for floral print, especially in the summer. This is the top of that brand that she was talking about. Look at that, L-U-Q. But anyways, it is kind of this, it's not quite, it's too dark to be lavender, but it's a longer sleeve tie front blouse. And let's see, no button details or anything. I love the floral. I like that it's lightweight. It's perfect for this time of year. And it's just gonna be really cute, I hope. Anyways, this next item is a kind of a tank top. It's kind of like the silk satiny feel. I do love me some green. I'm not sure how I feel about the stripes. I think when I got the preview, I didn't see the stripes, so we'll just have to see how that plays. This does give me a little bit of like 2000s going out to the club vibes, you know what I mean? Like with the you know, shiny shirt and whatever. It does also have a tie front as seen here. And it is a little wrinkly right now, but that's not anything we can't fix. Moving on, we have, I think no, it's another top? Yes, another top. Now this one is a cottony top, and this feels very comfortable. So this, I think I might have a hard time. Sorry, I was having a hard time dealing with the straps. It's very strappy. It is very lightweight, very cottony. This is very cute. I love this color. I feel like it just like brightens up my face. Oh God, I'm so excited to try all of this on. Moving on, we have a dress. And it's a little bit on the heavier side, but that's, I think, because it has several layers of fabric, probably because it's white and you don't necessarily want to see through all those layers on a white dress. It does have buttons down the front, but they kind of look like, yeah, they're pseudo buttons, so they don't really actually affect, you can't like button them and unbutton them. They're just more for, you know, cuteness. I love this little flare sleeve detail, and honestly, it looks maybe potentially a little short to me, but we'll see. Stitch Fix has never sent me dresses that are super short. They've never wronged me, and that department. So I'm probably just like, oh, it's too short, and then I'll wear it and it'll be perfect, like they usually are. And then lastly, we do have another dress. I love to just like basically exist in summer dresses in the summer. I guess that's why it's called the summer dress, because it's too damn hot here in Texas. I'm sorry. Anyways, this last dress is another floral print. It's a little more, I feel like, sweet, maybe. It is also very cottony. So this is, I think, very versatile. So you can like dress it up, but you can also definitely just dress this down and wear this like around the house and just be comfy and not feel too weird about it, I think. I don't know. I do also want to point out that on the back, there's this fun little stripey detail. So anyways, we're gonna go try all of this on now. All right, so I just paired this with the shorts I was already wearing, which these are Stitch Fix shorts from, I don't know, sometime within the last 23 fixes or so. So this is what the top looks like. I will say this is not my favorite. I have a lot of mixed feelings about the whole like belly exposure thing. I feel like this has like a tasteful hint of belly exposure, but then like this tie front detail, you have the opportunity to hide it. It still makes me feel a little like insecure. This is always something that I've struggled with, like even back when I used to be like a skinny little preteen that had 0% body fat. So I don't know, that's just my problem, I guess. But either way, it's not my favorite. The stripes aren't really doing it for me. I don't think the fit's really doing it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, but oof. I think this is a miss for me. Okay, so I figured out where the last top failed me. It was not a floral print, and floral print never fails me. And that was its fatal flaw, ultimately, because look at this top. Look at how cute this top is, and it's a floral print. My logic is never faulty. It's always right. But anyways, if you haven't figured this out, I don't know if you guys heard Mike laughing from the other room, just disregard that. Anyways, I love this top. It sits perfectly up here. I think the straps are like just a perfect detail. I am just wearing a strapless bra with this, and it looks so great. It kind of like hides the belly, but like flares out to be really just flattering to all body types. I love this top. Have I mentioned that I love this top? Anyways, on to the next top. So here's the last top. I love the sleeves. The sleeves are fun. I think the sleeves make this a fun like transitional piece, whether it's from spring to summer or from summer to fall. I think this would look dope with a pair of like high-waisted jeans. I just don't want to wear that because again, it's too damn hot in Texas right now. Some things I'm not super thrilled about though. The little peak of the belly, again, not an issue with some mom jeans, but not my favorite. It's not super flattering as far as body type goes. I think it would be better maybe with a different neckline or maybe an adjustable neckline, but it's pretty firmly lit. Like I almost want to make this like a little lower, or this would be really cute that buttons and you can like wear this with a cami underneath. I should just become a stylist, clearly. Anyways, so not my favorite. I don't know. Let's go try on some dresses. So here is the purple dress. So I will say it is very, very flattering. I like the color. I'm just not sure it's super flattering for my skin tone. Do feel like it could be, I don't know, there's something about how it's cut here. There's like an awkward seam that goes from here and then another awkward seam around here. And I just feel like that's not the most flattering. But overall, I do really like this dress. I'm just not sure I'm in love with it. And it is very similar to a red floral print dress that Stitch Fix sent me sometime within the last year. It does not have pockets. And something that I do appreciate is that this strap is adjustable. So I did mess around with it a little bit just to make things a little bit, I don't know, tighter up here, if you will. I like it, I'm just not sure I love it. That blue floral top is taking the cake. So here is the last dress as well as the final item of the box. So I think it's really cute. This actually reminds me of something I'm pretty sure my mom wore when she was a youth. But I do have some issues with this dress. I'm pretty sure I need to size up on this, which Luckily, Stitch Fix usually has an option where you can return some items for a larger size. The issue I'm specifically having is it's too tight up here. I'm borderline like uniboobing, if that makes sense. I had to wear like the thinnest bra that I had because everything else that has like a little bit of padding or a little bit of push-up just did not work with this dress. It's also just like, here's the thing. It's not like a bad length. I think the length is great. It is just borderline of being like too short for my badonkadonk, because my badonkadonk, I often have issues with dresses like automatically becoming too short because of my badonkadonk. I'm not thrilled about the length. It could be a little longer for my taste, even if it was just like an inch or two. But otherwise, I think it is a very cute dress. But either way, we're gonna have a lot to discuss here in a minute when we look at the invoice. Okay, so let's look at this invoice. Mike is standing over here because he's genuinely interested in how much this all costs. So I'm just sorry, depending on how this turns out. If it turns out great, then good job. But if it doesn't, then I'm sorry. So this dress, yes, this dress that I'm wearing right now, it's $54 and it is a size medium, so I would have to size up to a large if I were to keep it. I like it, but I'm not sure I like all 5 items in the box. And honestly, sorry, jumping ahead, we'll move forward. The next item on the invoice is the blue floral print top that I absolutely fell in love with. That is $30. That is possibly the cheapest thing I've ever gotten in a Stitch Fix. I knew it was a mistake having him here. He was like, I want to react. I was like, no, you don't. And he's over here making faces because he thinks everything is just too damn much money. But anyways, moving on. The green top is $38. That is going back unless, again, I can convince myself to do a 5 for 5 and then sell like pretty much everything other than the floral print top. It's probably going to be where we're at. The purple dress is $48 on the cheaper side for Stitch Fix dresses. Again, I wasn't like in love with it. So that would be one of the things that if I were to keep all 5, I would list it online in my Poshmark shop. And then the purple tie front top was $38. So again, not in love with it. The only thing I was truly in love with for this box was the blue floral print top. So the subtotal is $208. If you do keep all 5 items, you do get that $52 discount. I don't have any credit right now. So the new subtotal would be $156 for all 5 items. Now what I do sometimes is I'll keep all 5 items just to get that discount, and then I'll sell some of them on to my Poshmark shop, and that way I can justify this, honestly. That's where we're at. But I'm not sure I want to do that for this box. I'm just not sure how well some of these items would sell in my Poshmark shop. I don't know. Let me know if you guys would be interested in buying in my Poshmark shop. I do need to upload a bunch of new stuff up there that I'm going to try to do while this video is uploading. So we'll see. Let me know how you guys feel down in the comments below. If you've made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are interested in trying out Stitch Fix, I do have a referral code where we both get $25 off, which will be in the description box below. And again, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please do something that will support my video, such as liking, subscribing, sharing, turning on the notification bell. I think I forgot something, I'm not entirely sure, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay safe and stay cool out there.